In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw centerline in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin by opening the Annotate tab on the ribbon. The Annotate tab groups the tools you need for dimensioning and marking up geometry, and inside it you'll find the Centerlines panel. Take a moment to scan the ribbon so you can see where that panel lives. It's usually grouped with other annotation tools, and the icons look like center marks and center lines. Once you've located the Centerlines panel, choose the Centerline tool. Clicking that tool activates AutoCAD's associative centerline functionality. It's designed to create centerlines that stay linked to the geometry they reference. So if the geometry moves or changes, the centerline updates automatically. With the Centerline tool active, select the two lines you want the centerline between. You can pick parallel lines for a classic centerline down the middle, or pick two non-parallel lines. AutoCAD will still generate a center line between them and maintain that associative link. When you click both lines, the software automatically draws the center line in the correct position and creates the association. If you hover while selecting, you'll see preview behavior that helps confirm the placement before you finalize the click. For circular geometry, such as circles and arcs, switch to the Center Mark tool located in the same Centerlines panel. Using Center Mark places a center point marker directly on the circle or arc and links it to that object. That link is helpful because the center mark will remain accurate if you move, scale, or otherwise modify the circle or arc later. A couple of practical tips. If the ribbon is minimized or you don't see the Annotate tab, expand the ribbon or type ribbon on the command line to bring it back. If the centerline or center mark doesn't look like you expect, check the layer and style settings. Centerline appearance is controlled by current layer properties and annotation styles. So adjusting those will change how the lines and marks display. Finally, because these tools are associative, you can move or edit the original geometry, and the centerline or center mark will follow, saving you time and keeping your drawings consistent. That's all there is to it. Go to Annotate, pick the Centerline tool, select the two lines, and use center mark for circles or arcs. Simple, accurate, and efficient for keeping your drawings well annotated.